All right, solve each equation, check your answer. We've got variables on both sides. Just like the last problem, um, we can move any number of things. We could, if we wanted to, take this and subtract 3 to move this away from this side over here. Okay, we could do 3 plus 5q minus 5q to get this off of this side and move it over here. Okay, I could also say uh, minus 9 for in the back of each one to undo this. And I could also say minus 4q on the back of each one to undo this plus 4q. What am I going to choose to do? Well, I have so many options. There's one that's most uh, obvious to me as best, and that is to take away the 4q from both sides because 5q minus 4q is just q. Okay, so I say, okay, I write everything that's already there, 3 plus 5q, and then I say minus 4q. And I take everything that's already there, 9 plus 4q minus 4q. That's going to go away there, and these two are going to combine to be just q. So you get 3 plus q equals 9. And that's nice and neat because now I'm already down to a single one of the variable. The coefficient of the variable is already 1. So what am I left to do? Well, I want to undo what's happening to q, and what's happening to q is 3 is being added to it. So I do minus 3. So I do 3 plus q minus 3 equals 9 minus 3. Everything that was already there first, then the minus 3. Everything that was already there first, then the minus 3. Okay, these will cancel out to give us the q, and these will combine to be 6, so we get q equals 6. Now, for the proof, what do I do in the first step of the proof? Write the original equation as it was given to us. Okay, then after that, second step, we're going to rewrite that original equation with parentheses wherever there was a variable. Okay, and then I need to simplify. Okay, so do I simplify? I need to do this multiplication to get 30 there, and I need to do this multiplication and get 24 there before I can do the addition. So I've got 3 plus 30 equals 9 plus 24. Okay, 3 plus 30 is 33, and 9 plus 24 is 33 as well. So I get 33 equals 33, and that's